Ooh, it smells like banana. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I want to eat banana right now. I am gonna probably go get banana from the kitchen. It smells like banana and this smells like coconut. Like, why are you guys doing me this? I had a revolution. You making me hungry. You making me wanna eat. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are safe and you're doing well. That is really important, you know. Anyway, if you are new, you are welcome. And if you're not new, you are utmost more welcome. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe before you go. And share this video. I bit my tongue because I was chewing gum and I couldn't stop chewing, so I just bit my tongue. So I'm having difficulty talking, but I will try and do my best. So guys, you know, I've not done any review on my channel for quite a while. Product review, let's see. No, this is my first one in such a long time since lockdown. So I'm so excited. I'm looking forward to it. I am going to be reviewing the I Heart Revolution, or the I Love Revolution brand, which is a sub brand from Makeup Revolution. Everyone should know Makeup Revolution is a drugstore product, and I think in the past I have reviewed a Makeup Revolution products on this channel. Go check it out. And I think I've also reviewed I Heart Pizza palette as well. I'm gonna leave the link to that video right here, so you go check it out. So it's not my first time coming across this brand, but I feel like every time they are improving in products they're coming up with. So today we're going to put another product to test. So I will be reviewing two products from I Heart Revolution, which is their new banana baking powder and their concealer. So this is Heartbreakers, I Heart Revolution Heartbreakers concealer with coconut extract and vitamin C, EA, B3 and B5 anti-senis and the anti-casnet. I don't know. I already bit my tongue earlier on, so I cannot pronounce it. I'll just leave it there. If you buy things from drugstore, you know it's come sealed. So I am going to be breaking the seal right here, so you cannot see it clearly because it's full. It's really wrapped up. Too many protected seal, just too many. I'm not going to return this, so I am not going to go into details of how many of this concealer comes, you know, or how many powder. I only know from what I saw in the store, it comes with 4 baking powder or setting powder. I think 2 with chocolate, something, peach, and this is banana. I feel like banana is literally close to anyone's skin tone, literally, or you can use it as a translucent shade. And this one was literally the concealer that I felt is more golden to my undertone, so that's why I picked it. And this is called pretzel. I don't know what I'm struggling to pronounce today. So this is a pretzel concealer. That is the name of this concealer. And ooh, it smells so good. It actually say it comes with coconut extract, and I can actually smell that without even opening this packaging. Oh, did that ruin it? Okay, that was the glue to this concealer. Okay, I've not even started. It's already falling apart. Like, what is this video? Oh my god, what is this, guys? I was like, why is it not coming out? Look at the one. It's so different from what I'm used to. I hope you guys saw the one. It's so different from what I'm used to, and the one is I don't even know how to explain it. It's like a V shape or 2 legs kind of wand. I'm really curious of, you know, where this is gonna go to. So I got henna on my hand. I hope you guys were able to see this concealer. So let's try the swatch. So on the swatch at the back of my hand, I feel like this concealer is more yellow, but literally that's the only thing that's close to golden that they have there anyway. Neutral to yellow undertone for this concealer. And for the powder, okay, I have to break the seal. Nothing to break the seal, but I'm struggling with this powder now. Oh my god, this is so huge. Wow, guys, these are all my first impression for all these two products right here, and I'm impressed so far. Packaging wise, good. It's a 9 for me. Different idea of type of one or things to come up, good, is an 8 for me. All right, so this is the setting powder or baking powder as they call it. It said I Heart Revolution banana scented baking powder. I really do not like scented powder. I don't know why. I had my bad experience from the Jeffree Star scented powder. That powder is nice, but I just feel like the scent just do me way too much. So this powder is scented, but I hope it does not kill my vibe. So anyway, this powder cost £5, and the concealer cost £6. So literally 11 quid for these two. Ooh, for the price of £5, this product comes with a puff cushion. Like, the only time I say puff cushion is like expensive product like even Fenty big powder does not come with cushion, is a little one. Powder that comes with cushion are really expensive powder, and this is a drugstore powder and it comes with a cushion and it's £5. Like, are you guys kidding me? Right, I think the cushion is so soft. Again, this is sealed right in here, and the powder is yellow. As you can see, looks yellow to translucent kind of powder, because the other two powders I saw, or three powders, were peachy and really for dark skin, so more like darker skin. Ooh, it smells like banana. I'm not gonna lie. I want to eat banana right now. I am gonna probably go get banana from the kitchen. It smells like banana and this smells like coconut. Like, why are you guys doing me this? I Heart Revolution. You're making me hungry. You're making me want to eat. Enough of the talking right now. So we're just going to get into the tutorial for this concealer and powder in the face to know how well it could, you know, if it creases, if it don't creases, if it gives flashback, we don't know. So I'm going to put that to test. So we're going to have our foundation check. Now that we have our foundation check, so we're going to go ahead to have our eyebrow check. So now we have our eyebrows check, you know, we are good to go for the rest of the face. So for the foundation I use a Juvia's Place Lagos. I think it's number 240. So sometimes I forget how thick and full coverage that foundation is, because I like, whoa, that is too much. Areas where we apply concealer, underneath the eyes, the chin, the forehead and the nose, and then we blend away. I will be blending with a brush, and I'm not being a fan of a beauty blender. It smells coconut. So as you can see, first impression is a really struggle to apply the wand underneath, just because the applicator is not really soft. It's a bit hard on the skin, and I'm not liking that. As I'm applying it, it's actually removing the product. I don't know what other way to apply this product. And it clearly, again, as you can see, this is also a yellow underneath concealer. See, there's no specific way to use this one, because I'm not liking, it's not going smoothly. There's no smooth applicator yet. I'm really struggling with it. So what I know best is just to dab on the skin in that way. I don't have to be stressing myself with the lines, if you get what I mean. Okay, let me give for example. Yep. You can see the way the product refused to transfer on the second or third try. But where about if I do like this, there's a lot of product placement on the forehead. I don't know if that is the way to apply the product, but I'm just trying. Yeah, I'm just trying and see what works best. Swiping, sliding, working. Because I don't have much product I want from this concealer, so I am actually gonna go more underneath my eyes. And I don't think this concealer, from first thing that I'm looking at, I don't think this concealer is full coverage. I think it's sheer to medium coverage. That's what I'm saying, because it's covering nothing. So guys, as you can see, I've actually applied the concealer to the areas I want it to go, and I don't know if I should wait a while before I blend, or if I should just blend straight away. Who knows? So I'm just gonna start with the forehead first, just in case this product is moving, I can be able to work it out from there. Okay, I think I might need to work fast, because this product, it feels like it's drying. Okay, I like the fact that this concealer and the foundation, they both cancel themselves, so there's nothing too bright here. Blending wise, okay, it blends really nice, but not smooth. It just blends nice. So this concealer also comes in a contour shade, or a darker shade I can use as a contour. I just feel like if I don't like the concealer, I don't think I need the contour to tell me how to define my face, really. So I need to first of all buy the under eye lighter concealer shade. Then if I like it, I will go ahead and purchase the other darker color. First thing that I see is that this is not creasing, like giving me lines or streaks. It's actually blending. I think it's because I'm using a brush. If probably I were to use a beauty blender or a foam, it probably would have worked good as well. It blends nice. It's not a matte concealer. This is more like a soft matte concealer. It's not hydrating either. So I've been blending for the past 5 minutes or so, and each time I go to the same area over and over again, and it's not moving, so that is good. The product that has coconut tends to work really nice. So I am going to go over with my foundation brush to go over any rough edges of this concealer, since I am not contouring, and just to make sure everything is one. For the sake of this review, I like what I see. And I've been talking, my under eye is not creasing. So next is the powder. So we need to set and bake this concealer and set the face. Bring the powder up. Oh, that's a lot. I felt that. Because I was trying to bring it out, and it's literally everywhere. Honestly guys, I am impressed. There is no concealer settling on my fine lines. I am not lying. None. Banana powder generally there's no different. It's just that it could be different formula, different brands, yeah, but in terms of like color or name, it's the same generic name everybody has, and almost the same undertone or color or tint to it. So whenever you hear banana, you think of a banana fruit, and when you think of a banana fruit, you know banana fruit can be inside is white or translucent and the body is yellow, so that ends we got banana. It is blending well into the skin, like it is sinking in. It's giving me that vibe highlighted face I want. I'm gonna dab all this powder into the skin before I use my powder brush to take everything off. You can see there's a difference between the base of this face and the highlighted face, so which is where I put my powder. So the powder, you can see the hint of the yellow, and it blends and matches the concealer. So literally I feel like this is goes really for a affordable drugstore makeup. I'm not expecting much. I like the coverage of the powder. I'm not gonna lie, I like the coverage. So voila. So what do you guys think of this tutorial so far? Because I would say, based on this, outcome, based on the product itself, I am not surprised and I shouldn't be expecting more. I like it. So if I were to give it a pass, I think I'll probably give it 7. It's 7. I'll just give it 7 just because it tried. There's some other products they don't even try, but this tried. I did take some couple of pictures. Maybe it's just me. I felt like I saw a little bit of flashback around, literally underneath the eye. It could be due to the powder, it could be due to the concealer, but I am not sure. But I'm looking myself in the mirror for me, and it's telling me I look pretty. I know I look pretty, but it's actually telling my base makeup is good. That this is cheap but good. So I would say, as a drugstore product, affordable product as that, thumbs up for me. If it didn't work for me properly, it may work for you. Everyone's skin is different. Okay, my skin is dry to combination skin, so I can wear anything at any time. So first impression, I love the product. The packaging speaks to itself. The price is affordable, good. Actual formula, actual work of the product, I felt like this concealer is actually sheer or light to medium coverage. It's not full coverage, and if you want it to be full coverage, I think you have to add more, but I don't think that will make any difference because the applicator, you're gonna work for it. So the good thing is that my fine lines underneath my eyes did not crease. It did not crease. That's the only thing that saved this concealer. I'm telling you, there's no concealer, there's no breakage of product underneath the eyes, and I am loving that. It come to the powder. I feel like, yes, the powder is good, it's okay for the price. Yes, it's okay. It's not my cup of tea. When I was baking, the powder actually took away products of the concealer. I feel like the powder was working on its own and the concealer was working on its own, because closely around this area I can see this, like, it's not patchy, but it's like there's less product there. I don't know. Same with this top bit area, and if I try to look closely, I can literally see my skin. Again, like I said, it's not full coverage, so what do you expect? I'm gonna use it again. I'm gonna use it in one of my videos, when I'm doing a playful look, or look that I'm gonna waste product. What works for me may not work for you, or what works for you may not work for me, vice versa. £11 for this. I'm not what's that word again? It's not bad. If I can get concealer about £26 from maybe Too Faced, or what other brand again over there, Fenty, and then a powder the same price, literally £50, and I have an £11, like, are you kidding me? 11 quid for this. If you are a medium coverage girl, this is your thing. This still is good. For me, not so much. And the powder is not drying out my under eye. That is one thing. It's not drying my under eye. Obviously, I'm a dry skin. Nothing like that. It's actually beautiful product. I don't even know what I'm talking about. That's the end of the review, the end of the tutorial or demo, to the art product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or I hope this video helped you in any way. And if it did help you, please support me by sharing this video, support me by liking this video, and support me by subscribing to this channel. And more cool stuff will be coming your way, because I get more support, I get more ginger to do more things, to try more things. You got what I mean? you know. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you did not enjoy it, still give it a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload any video. Don't forget to subscribe, and any other thing you feel about this video, the product and everything, any question, leave it in the comment down below and I'll be checking that out. And on today, guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Take care of yourself and be nice to others. Be safe out there. If you don't love yourself, who else are you gonna love? Peace.